Yeah, I feel like we're in Pakistan right now. It looks like a bus driver. I've never seen him from this angle.
This window looks too clear, like everybody can just see. Right.
So what you reckon to the combo?
This is nice.
You know a fun fact, yeah? Genuine fun fact. It's called combo because it's a combination of a f***ing Corsa and a Nike shoebox. I swear to God, that's why it's called combo. Look, my man's sticking the combo.
5-speed manual. Turbo.
Turbo diesel, oi.
Come on, lad.
We're in dodgy position, me and you know, for a back of a van. Yo, chill. chill. Yo, you're not you.
Yo, that's the first time I've seen someone actually rag a car like that. Where are we going? Left? On the front somewhere.
Why, you not got no space in the back? What, you can get Lucozade in a can?
Yeah, mate.
I've never seen that in my life. Oh, I got a splinter. This is... Yo, shit.
Mac is meant for tools, you twat.
Lala, you're a tool, why are you up in the back?
Yeah, and you're a twat.
There's no rear view on this one because we don't look back.
Oh, yeah.
Look at him, he's choosing. I just see the top of his head. Where you go? You going left and then up there?
Yeah.
Because what's happened? I thought the combo was tuned.
It probably has been remapped in the past, and it's just lost.
Over the years, it's lost its talent, innit?
That's what happens.
Oh, roundabout.
Whenever guys, what the fuck do you down?
You gotta hold the roll cage in it, cause then you get a bit of grip on it.
I'll keep up with that car anyway.
It's a Mark 6 normal, yeah, and this guy's going on like he can't keep up with it.
That's definitely man.
But I think the fact you're in a combo has got something to do with it as well. When's my turn? What is he scared for?
I don't know.
I should be saying that to you, mate. I'm in the van. As kids, we're told don't meet random men online, and I'm here to change that. If you want to see your cars feature on my videos and you're around Knots or willing to come down, then message my Instagram at RizzyElbow. We'll get a quick POV. I'll even wine and dine you before I send you on your way. So don't be shy and come and say hello. Why's she got a windbreaker on? This is missing. It's got no trims. This is the combo. You get me? Pause it now, have your and then let's go for a spin.
It's got all the spec.
It's got a bass button. Are you mad?
The radio don't work.
Why is that? It sounds like it's inside.
That sounds so weird.
Wait, is it coming from the speaker? There's no way you can hear that outside. Wait.
Just sounds good.
That's f***ing shit. Oi.
Oh, red line.
Right, tell me if you want me to chill out in it.
That's all good, it's all good.
You don't sound good, mate. Has the combo got AC or has it got a hole in it?
No, it's actually got AC.
It's got AC?
Yeah.
I thought I was going to be sweating in this one, to be honest.
No, this is such a cool.
Catalytic converter.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm trying to collect some of them today.
They go for a bit of bread.
Chill out, the good thing there's ice cream. Bro, is it me? Yeah, the horn is inside, it's not outside. That's not playing outside. No one's hearing that part. It's manipulation. This car's clapped. What's the point of the sun visor, bro? It's not even in. It's up there.
Nice.
Gearbox is very good considering the age of it, the thing, whatever the age is.
Yeah, 21 probably.
21 years old?
Yeah.
This same age as me then. Big foreheads around this time then, huh? Must have been something in the water. This is like we've just drove from Dover, innit? Apart from we know you're in the back. Look, it's Ballymore. You watch Ballymore?
Oh, because of the pink cars.
Yeah. That's where that dickhead lived, that pedo. You know the pink one? Fucking weirdo. He lives in a castle, it's pink. And he wears a skirt, he's a fucking rapist. Yeah, they're on.
Nice bit of road though.
Oh, take it easy on this bend just for you, my love.
Oh, good bit of heel to toe. You're like a little DSG gearbox.
Come on, cuz. I'm the DCT.
Oi.
Oh, bro, you're not gonna like this one, I'll be honest.
Man, just it will last like a second.
Nah, that's not too bad.
Oh, I thought this was nitros. Oh, that is so dangerous.
Yeah.
I just got exposed screws out. Imagine that just went flying. Oh.
Yeah, he's bidded on it. Bastard's buying everything like a Jew.
Trust me. Yeah, same.
Trust, bro, he owns everything.
You're not getting
He tried to buy he tried to buy one of my cars as well. I didn't. You know, the only reason I said no is because I didn't want him to have it.
Some PS4s, mate.
Is it because you got the combo on pilots?
Yeah, I just not got the invoice.
You ain't got the grip either. There's your full beam, my mate. Oh, what's the difference?
Is the right one even working?
I don't know. I think it's just on the left, you know. I've gone very slow there just for you, lot. There's your tune there, mate.
Nice.
There's your Newton meters. Fucking Honda Civic, this, mate.
Have you seen his 3,000 horsepower Nissan?
Yeah, nah, I've patrol.
Mad.
It's fat, innit? We're not DMO level yet, though. We're pedo.
3,000.
The combo's putting on a bit of a show.
Isn't that a great treat, mate? Isn't that a great treat?
Why is he on this side, bro?
We saw that same car as well.
Is he taking it wide? Wait, yeah, we've seen that one, innit? Fucking Truman Show.
Yeah, do donut down there, come back out here.
You're a donut. Yeah, has he got a good handbrake? No, I can't with you there, mate.
Handbrake turn, you're gonna tip the car.
You're gonna be concussioned.
And you're gonna have, you're gonna be more of a. This car doesn't look like Space Raider, Chris.
Nah, it's actually alright. I would daily this, you know.
I would if it had Vossen wheels. That's,
yeah. Yo, mate, get off your phone. It's not every day you're in a combo.
Yeah, I'm getting off.
Live in the moment.
You can get us a CD for the car.
Oh, yeah, you're sorting parts.
Yeah, mate.
Come on, cause you can't complain.
For the age, for that, yeah.
The combo's home, mate. I feel like I'm in, Roderick Rules, where he takes Greg and Rowley home.
Yeah, man, I feel like I'm on.
It's not a nice feeling, but you get over it with time.
How do you know?
Sleepless nights, innit? There's a bit of a laughing track in the back, come like fucking Disney Channel.
That's the music, mate. Oi. That is nice.
You gotta torque it out, that's what it is with the combo. You gotta preheat the oven and then have it ready, innit? Boys, I know you lot have been saying jump in a van, so we've done it. We've jumped in a van. We've jumped in the back of the van as well. The van's ready, innit? It's like, it's got fucking life in it. It hooks as well, to be honest.
Yeah, told you, PS4s, mate.
Yeah. You put them on yourself. Sorry about your knee, cause the combo's not as wide as I thought.
That's alright. Another stick, mate. So as long as you get the 3 piglets home safe.
I thought the church was on fire. These boys have got a panel light.
Come on there, mate!
We've got tools in the combo.
Yeah, mate.
Excluding myself, we've got tools in it.
Oh, that's nice, man.
Ain't that what the exhaust should be smelling
So
like?
now we lost the lights.
Where's the lights gone? We've still got the exterior.
Nice.
We've just lost the ambient lighting.
That's right.
I'll move your fucking hybrid, you fucking dickhead.
Yo.
Well boys, it's been lovely to drop in on you in the combo. I wasn't expecting it either, it was a bit of a last minute decision, but it's always the unplanned videos that always seem to impress me the most.
Yeah, but way with words.
Especially now I'm in the combo. You better hide your siblings, don't be dropping them off at the end of the road. I'll be in the middle of the road. I just put year 9 in the combo.